Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your AdCreative AI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your AdCreative AI on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address adcreative.ai and John enter. And over here guys, this is the home page of AdCreative. In order to log into your account, let's go this cookie section. At the bottom left corner of the screen, where when you hover over this tab over here, you can see the login button will be available to you or shown to you by expanding the tab. So in order to log into your account, simply click on the login button over here and you'll be directed over here to the login page of the AdCreative account. Now in order to sign in, simply enter your email address first, and after that enter your password. And guys, after entering your email address and your password, but guys, if you forgotten your password, you can always retrieve it from over here where it says the forgot password button. If you click on that, you will be taken to a procedure where you can or you will be able to reset your AdCreative AI account's password. And with that being said guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on login and then you'll be signed into your AdCreative AI account. And guys, this is how you log into your AdCreative AI account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.